today, no way. Head wrap to the rescue. You have your hair unmade like mine and you just don't want to appear like this, or you can't just pull any style through, like you are blank. There are days I am just blank on how to style my hair. Or you are having your hair deep condition and you just remember you have to pick something up in a store down the street. You can just slam a head wrap on, and yes, it's a great protective style. Yes, especially those ones that are wrapped to cover the entire hair. So today's tutorial is all about head wrap. Before we delve into that, have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't, kindly click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification icon so you won't miss out on any of my videos. Yes, my hair has been previously moisturized. I don't want to over moisturize. I just use the leave-in conditioner, oil and cream, and that's what I have here. So the first thing is I usually wear a light wig cap like this. So let's wrap it. I have with me here 2 head wraps, and I'll be showing you different styles you can come up with. So the plain one, I want the plain one on the outside, so I'm just going to do this, and the Ankara one on the inside, like so. This is the right side. So I have this.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you
today. Thanks for joining me. Let me know your preference in the comment box below. I hope to see you again in my next video. Until then, I remain yours truly, Roots and Looks. Bye.